trip with our PCGS, that is the Patel College of Global Sustainability at USF Tampa students, and a whole group of undergrads from Gen Cleo, which is the national organization started by women to protect all of us from the ravages of climate change. And we're here at Tallahassee. We just took a bus up from Tampa, and we're joined by busloads of students from Miami and from Gainesville and from Orlando and all over the state. And what I'm going to do now is take the Jackery system out because we have to go to a solar advocacy meeting.
Okay, لحظة ناي.
And hold on, Nye, because we're just going to finish this up. So wait, let me do this talk. So this is the Jackery 1000 watt system. It consists of two bifacial solar electric panels and a 1000 watt lithium iron phosphate battery. And if you come over here, you can see that the phosphate battery now, we're getting 103 watts. It actually just dropped to 71 because of your shadow. So come over here. Now we're at 100 watts, 107 watts. And this is at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So it should put out a theoretical maximum of 160 at solar noon on a clear sky day at the right orientation. But as I said, it's 5 o'clock and we're now getting 108 watts. And it's 97% full. This 1000 watt inverter and charge controller. Note that when I take apart the Jackery, you'll see how simple the system is. Unlike other solar electric systems, this one has these reflectors because both sides of the panel are turning sunlight into electricity. So when I turn it around, you see it's got a nice stand that it comes with. I'll unplug it in a second. You can see that this side absorbs photons, as does this side. So it's bifacial, and that's why it comes with a carrying case, which is really nice, which has the reflector. And then when you're done, as I am now, and you want to put it back, all you have to do is, and it has this nice strap, which I'll show you again in a second, is just put it in its carrying case, which was the reflector. So they've really thought of everything here, and zip this up, and you're ready to carry. Let me take this one apart. Notice this strap here that comes so that you can put your reflector and it hangs at the right angle to reflect sunlight onto the other side of the bifacial panel. So that is really cool. The fact that it has this stand on it, the fact that it comes in a carrying case, they really thought of everything here. So I'm just going to put that down like this, pull this in here. But yes, that bifacial solar panels are the most efficient panels today because both sides will collect sunlight. The Germans have shown now that if you were to put them, instead of facing it south, facing the sun, if you put it up vertically and you get the eastern sun coming in the morning and the western sun in the day, you actually get more power in some situations than putting the entire single face facing the sun. Although by putting the reflector on the other side, you get the best of both worlds. It's got a nice carrying pocket in here, and that carrying pocket has another extension cord to make it longer and a manual, which is really nice. So you can set the panels a little farther from the battery if you have to. Both carrying cases have that extension cord. And then there is a packet that has a cord to plug into a 110 volt outlet and charge it from the wall when you don't have sun. So it's a really neat system to have. Let me just zip this up here and I'll show you just how lightweight it is. Let me put this here to protect it and put this here. Okay, hold on, Nye. Zip this up. So it only takes a few minutes to get this thing packed and unpacked. As you can see here, they're very lightweight, 80 watt panels each. Grab this and you're done. So this has three 110 volt outlets, two USB-A's and two USB-C's with 100 watt max. The USB-A's is 18 watt max, and then the AC is 1000 watts, pure sine wave. So great for electronic equipment. And it also has a DC 12 volt output like you have in your car. It's got a display, and then on the back it has these inputs for AC power and a DC input, two of those. So a nice lightweight, you'd never be able to carry a 1000 watt battery if it was lead, but with the lithium iron phosphate, you have the safety of lithium iron phosphate, which doesn't have a tendency to explode or catch fire like lithium phosphate. Lithium iron phosphate's the best batteries on the market today, and now we can carry it to our solar demonstration. We're here at the Florida People's Advocacy Center And thanks for watching. We hope you'll join us in Tallahassee. That was Inas Culhane behind the camera and Nye Culhane in the stroller. And it's a beautiful day in the vein of Rosa Parks and Ruth Ginsburg, whose posters you see all over here. We are fighting for change, but we're not doing it violently. We're not doing it by protesting or doing street demonstrations. We're demonstrating new and superior technologies to the fossils that we have been dependent on for too long. Thanks and good luck.